Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's time for another spin, scrap and slay episode. So I'll pop in here what our parameters are. Okay, so if you missed it, our subject is girl, which is, in my photos, my daughter who is sewing. Our colour story is player's choice, so I'm just going with whatever colours are in this old collection by Kaiser Craft called Needle and Thread. So it's like your muted type of vintage colours. And our technique is hand-drawn elements. So my hand-drawn elements, hopefully they work out, are going to be buttons. I've got a 1-inch punch here for the buttons, and I'm just going to draw around the edge and draw on the holes. Fingers crossed that works. And what I think I might do, sorry, is actually do them first, because I can guarantee as I go along and I get the page finished, I am going to forget to do them. So I'm going to create them first, add them to my pile of embellishments, and then hopefully I don't forget them. Alright, I'm just going to get on with it. There's my completed page. I kept it pretty simple, just with a cluster here, and a few little ones here. I met the parameters of the photo subject to be about a girl, and this is about my daughter who wanted all of a sudden to sew and make teddy bears and things like that. So this is her first attempt, first thing she's ever actually sewn. And she, with my help, cut out the pattern and then sewed it all together and stuffed it and made this gorgeous little elephant. So she's made a few other things since then, but this is her first attempt, which I think is pretty good for a very new sewer. The other elements we had to use was hand-drawn elements. So I have my hand-drawn buttons. I'm not very good at drawing, so that's as hand-drawn as they're ever going to get. And the other thing, the colour story, was our choice. So I kept with the colours that are in this paper collection by Craft. It's called Needle and Thread, and it's a really old one, but I still have a bit of it left, so I'm going to use it. So they're the colours I kept with, the muted colours, vintage type colours. Make sure you check out the links below. There will be Ashely on YouTube and Stephanie on Instagram, who are also playing along. So please go over there and give them some love and like and comment on what they have created. If you have enjoyed this layout and or this video, then please hit that thumbs up button so I know you've liked it. Also, please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.